Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet detection on construction site using machine learning. So in that project user have to upload an input video or it works on the live streaming. So camera will detect that particular person. It will show the accuracy like 0.97 or 0.51 or 1.0, and it will recognize that person is wearing helmet or not. If the person is not wearing helmet, then it will show in the red color like no helmet, or if the person is wearing helmet, then it will show in the green color like you can see 0.83% accuracy, and it will detect the chest like the person is wearing jacket or not. Okay, like that it works. Like you can install that project in any construction site, or this project can also be used for any computer science project. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning used to train the model. So this type of projects we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI neural network, OpenCV, computer vision, and Android and Java applications. So if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can visit our website. Or if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can visit our website. I will provide the contact link in description. Okay, let's continue with the video. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.